Hello, today we are going to introduce the term Project Part 2 Redesign Lighting Proposal and Implementation. Here is our content. First of all, the revisit finding from Part A. Here is our site analysis, which our cafe located in Ha LKSA. Here we have the sun bath, the circulation, the noise, and the wind direction. Here are some of pictures of the existing building, which is a camel step, as I mentioned in HA and in KSA. For the key issues identified, first of all, the uneven lighting distribution in the deeper sitting areas. Then the limit task light at the seating zones. Also, the over-reliance on ambient lighting, which are coming from the windows and the sunlight. The lack of dimmable and adjustable lighting system, the limit of a smart control and energy efficient automation system, and finally the lighting lack balanced contrast between the mood and the functionality. Then the prioritized improvement. So first, we are going to introduce the layered lighting strategies, the ambient, the task, and the ambient task, accent, and decorative, add indirect and concealed lighting to reduce the harsh contrasts. We are going to enhance the texture material using glazing and accent lighting, improve user comfort and spatial atmosphere, and finally integrate the dimmable LED system for flexibility and energy efficiency. For our concept is the textile tile, where the lighting design is based on the idea of textile light, where light not only seen but visually felt throughout controlled shadows, directional lighting, and layered illumination. The surface appear rich and more expressive. The interaction between the light and the material enhance the depth, the warmth, and the authenticity, creating a sensory and impressive cafe experience. Here are some of image for our concept board that how we need the user to felt in this space. And finally, this is our mood board.
Moving now to establish the lighting design strategy. Lighting objective. We have 4 points for the lighting objective. First one is to enhance the experience our concept aims of by using different types of lighting such as LED hidden light, wall washer, cove light. Moving to the next point is to create controlled shadows for depth using lighting psychology through warm tones, and this can be achieved by controlled brightness, and it leads to a visual comfort for the user. And moving to the third point, which is visual comfort and immersive atmosphere, it can be achieved by using soft and diffuse lighting, and it is influencing user mood and relaxation. And the last point is layered lighting and soft illumination, and we can achieve it by avoid harsh lighting contrasts, using lighting to define different spaces. Moving now to acoustics, psychology, branding, and experiential goals. For the first point, we are talking about the acoustics. We wanted to use soft indirect lighting to support the acoustic calmness and reduce the visual stress. And for the second point, which is the psychology, wanted to apply some warm color temperature lighting to create comfortable psychological atmosphere. And for the branding, Camel Step is known for their concrete cafe bar, and this bar texture should be highlighted by lighting. And the last point is about the experiential goals. We wanted to control the noise inside the place by adding acoustical lighting to enhance the customer experience inside the place. And here's the selected theme for our cafe, which is representing the elements inside the cafe. And here's our inspirational image for lighting we should add in our design. And here's a reference project, which is Arabica in Egypt, Cairo Roastery. We use this to help us redesign the lighting inside our cafe. And also Blue Bottle Cafe in the United States.
Selecting lighting techniques and fixtures. So the first one is decorative lighting. We have pendant light and logo wall light and outdoor ground light and smart projection floor light. So we will start in pendant light, which is create a warm illumination atmosphere and act as a decorative focal point and enhances visual softness within the space and complements the materials and acoustic elements and adds depth and layered lighting experience. So it creates a comfortable seating ambience. About logo wall light, which is enhance brand identity and create a visual focal point, uses warm indirect backlighting and adds depth to the textured wall and create a luxurious atmosphere and strength special experience. About outdoor ground light, creates a soft indirect ambient illumination and enhance spatial warmth and visual comfort, defines architecture edge and circulation path and adds depth through consoled linear light and create a calm minimal lighting effect and strengthen the layered lighting atmosphere. About smart projection floor light is a project logo, graphic and directional pathways to find for example the tables or pathway to toilets, whatever. So it enhance user navigation and special goodness and create an interactive lighting experience and strengthen brand identity with the space and improve wayfinding through illuminated projection and adds a dynamic and immersive visual atmosphere. About task lighting, we have two types, magnet linear light and magnet track light. We have magnet linear light provides soft, continuous linear illumination and enhance visual comfort within the interior space and defines circulation and functional zones and create a calm, modern ceiling lighting effect and improves spatial continuity and lighting balance and strengthens the layered interior lighting atmosphere. About magnet track light, we have provide adjustable focused lighting and enhance flexibility within the space and highlight specific functional and focal areas and improve visual comfort and task visibility and create a directional lighting control, strengthen the layered lighting experience. About accent lighting, we have two types also, LED strip light and wall washer light. About LED strip light, we have here create a soft and direct ambient illumination and enhance spatial warmth and visual comfort and defines architectural edge and circulation paths and adds a depth through the console linear lighting and create a calm minimal lighting effect and strengthen the layered lighting atmosphere. About wall washer light, we have here highlight a vertical architecture surface and enhance wall texture and materiality and create depth and visual contrast and adds a dramatic and ambient atmosphere and strengthens a special focal point and improves visual perception of the space. About ambient lighting, we have three types: spotlight and emergency and curved LED light. About spotlight, provide focus, directional illumination, highlight specific architecture or focal areas, and enhance visual contrast and spatial depth, and improves visibility and user comfort, and create a dramatic lighting atmosphere, strengthen the layered lighting composition. About emergency light, provides a clear emergency exit goodness and enhance user safety during emergencies, ensures safe circulation and evacuation, and improves visibility in low light conditions, and create immediate visual direction awareness, and supports building safety and accessibility standards. About cube LED light, it creates a soft and direct ambient illumination and enhance material texture and spatial depth, and highlight shelving and architectural edges, and adds warmth and visual comfort to the space, and create a seamless concealed lighting effect and strengthen the luxurious layered atmosphere. So in this lighting fixture schedule, we categorize the lighting system into different lighting layers, including decorative, ambient, dusk, and accent, and wayfinding light. So each fixture was carefully selected based on its function and special experience and psychology impact with the space. We also identified the color, temperature, and mounting type and fixture purpose to ensure visual comfort, functionality, and choice lighting atmosphere. So the lighting strategy focus on the create a warm luxury ambience through layering lighting techniques, concealed illumination, focal lighting, and interactive smart lighting elements. Additionally, smart projection lighting was integrated to strengthen brand identity and ensure enhanced use navigation through illuminated directional pathways.
Part 4, creating the lighting plans and layout. Here our first thought plan sketches where we integrate where are going to place our light fixtures from the decorative, the accent, the ambient, and other. And then we reach to this ground floor plan and the ceiling plan.
Moving to the acoustics and lighting synergy, the main goal was to create a calm and comfortable atmosphere by balancing visual comfort with acoustic performance. This was achieved through layered lighting strategies and sound-absorbing materials that enhance the overall user experience. So, in this stage, several strategies were implemented to enhance both visual and acoustic comfort within the cafe space. Soft indirect and warm diffuse lighting was used to create calm atmosphere and reduce the visual stress. Acoustic ceiling panels combined with concrete LED strip lighting to improve the sound absorption while maintaining a clean and a modern aesthetic. In addition, lighting fixtures were carefully positioned to minimize glare, harsh contrast, and reflections. Concrete cove lighting and wall washers also helped us to achieve smooth light distribution, soft shadows, and enhance the material textures throughout the space. Together, these elements created a balanced and immersive user experience.
So moving to energy efficiency and sustainability, in this redesign, we focused on improving energy performance without losing the lighting concept of the space. We replaced the old halogen fixtures with LED lighting, which uses less electricity and produces less heat. We also integrated smart controls and automated timers to reduce unnecessary usage while keeping the intended ambience. To maintain the tactile light feel, we worked carefully with light direction, layering, and contrast, so the atmosphere and material expression stayed strong. Sustainability is reflected in smarter lighting placement, which enhances the experience without wasting energy. Energy calculation. After applying these strategies, the energy use dropped from around 5 kilowatts a day to a 0.7 watt day, which is about 86% savings. This shows that the design decisions were not only aesthetic but also highly efficient. Overall, the redesign proves that we can reduce consumption significantly while still maintaining the desired lighting quality in the space.
So, this is the reflected ceiling plan, which illustrates the arrangement of ceiling elements, lighting fixtures, and the concrete lighting. The layout is carefully designed to achieve the balanced light distribution while supporting the overall aesthetic and the acoustic performance of the cafe. And here we have the circuit plan. It shows the electrical connections between the lights and the distribution of the lighting system throughout the project. The circuit organization ensures functional efficiency, proper control of lighting zones, and supports overall user comfort within the cafe environment.
This is the elevation that shows the counter area and its lighting and how it's related to the functions.
This is section AA, which having the main entrance and the seating areas, and it showcases how different lighting are integrated in the cafe. And here is the lighting detailed, which is the COV LED light, and we take this lighting details for this furniture piece. And that's it. Thank you very much.